Hi, this is Quinn at Kaizink, and today I'm going to show you how to use the Dimension tool in Adobe Illustrator. So I'm going to start by making my artboard larger using the artboard tool. So I'm going to click on it and drag it up to create a little white space on top, and then drag it to the left to create some white space over there as well. Then I'm going to come over here to my tools and click on the Dimension tool. There's a little gear here that you can change your settings for your lines, the extension lines, and the text. We use a magenta color because it's not something we frequently use in our designs, so it's easy to tell that it is not a part of the design and it is showing measurements. So I'm going to click Save on that. I'm going to come over here until my mouse locks onto the left edge of the graphic, and I'm just going to click. Then I'm going to hold Shift on my keyboard and come over here to the right until it locks onto the right edge, and click again. And I'm going to drag up a little bit and click a third time. So now that shows that this is 20 inches wide. So I'm going to do the height as well. So I'm going to click on the top, hold Shift and drag to the bottom, click a second time, and then pull it out just a little bit to the left and click a third time. Thank you for watching.